Hey guys, Rachel here, and of course I'm excited to show you this one. And if you've listened or watched any of my videos, you're gonna know that this one is my favorite brand. I love the vibe, and I like this one even more because it's a bunkhouse. So if you're looking for a unit that has a bunk room, bunkhouse that you can take your kids or even somebody, adults, it doesn't matter. This is a great unit. It is a 2025 and I'm excited to show you. Now, if you guys do come to Waco, I do these videos for fun. I love doing it, but I do actually work in the Waco office. So if you come up there, ask for Rachel, I would love to help you. Now, let's go from the outside in and you guys let me know. All right, so it is our Forest River Vibe 2025 model 3400BH for bunkhouse. You've got a nice big slide, actually two slides on this side, and I love their new look. It's kind of the gold, the black, I love it. You also have another slide on this side with two awnings. Love the windows. It is a tankless water heater. It does have power stabilizers. Let's see what we got in here. We got a TV. We got space, storage area. Let's see. Some more storage area, very nice. And a fridge. You're gonna have your LP quick connect down below as well, so you can hook up your grill and just really enjoy the outdoors. And then you do have your backup camera prep. All right, guys, so let's take a look inside. Okay, I told you. How beautiful is this? I'm in love. All right, so we're gonna start from this this area. First of all, Vibe has always got beautiful windows all the way around. Love that. You've got a beautiful seating area, so you've got a couch on that side. Of course, I'm sure it turns into a bed. You've got theater seating on this side. You've got your ottoman, but I believe, yep, it has a desk underneath, so you can pull it up to your couch, put it to yourself when you're sitting on the couch. You've got a fireplace, your nice big TV, little shelving on each side as well. In our kitchen area, we've got a beautiful, I guess a dinette, but bar-like seating. I love this. I love the thought, the creativity on it, because a lot of times when you're on, it's different. The normal dinette, when you got one on this side and one on this side, you see it all the time, but I absolutely love the way they did this. Just a lot of space right here that is actually usable. Over here, we've got our island with a nice big sink. Bar stools right here, so I love that because you're still able to use this counter space not only to sit and eat breakfast, but also for counter space. Over here, we've got some more counter space. We've got some outlets, lots of drawers. Got a 3-burner. You've got your nice big oven. That is really big. Actually, I think it's a convection oven, and it does have, the 3-in-1 combi oven. So it's got a grill, convection, and a microwave. That's awesome. And then you got some more storage on this side. Nice big fridge. So all your goods are going to be in there easily. You're going to fit them easily. Nice fridge and freezer and a pantry. I love this pantry. I know that sounds silly, but I really do love it. Plenty of space in here. I love that. And I love the doors. Very, very nice. And then over here we've got, let me see if I can close this. Oh, there we go. A bunkhouse. Love it. Okay, so first off, we've got plenty of space on the floor. Like all this room. You've got a bed over here and a bed over here. nice and big, nice and wide. Little windows as well in here. And then this also is not only a couch, but it is also a bed. You've got your stairs, your ladder right here, plenty of storage and space to put those clothes. I absolutely am loving this. Underneath this is going to be that side piece that goes right here. So for the little ones, you have an air. I mean, they're not going to fall off. I mean, they could, but this is to help prevent that. But I absolutely love the idea. Absolutely stunning. And again, I can't say enough about Vibe and the way they do these things. Also, they do have an area for entertainment that can be hooked up so everybody can, you know, on those rainy days, then they have something to do. But let's go down and look at the other side. All right, we have our bathroom. Nice and big, plenty of storage and space, counter space, nice big shower. I love this shelf right there. I mean, just a lot of area. You're not going to bump your knees. It's going to be perfect as far as just a lot of space to move around in here. And then we do have our master bedroom. And again, plenty of space to walk around. You've got side tables. You've got storage on each side along with cubbies. And then also a washer and dryer prep. Love it. And then you can hang up your clothes up there as well. But again, and the beautiful windows. I love these windows. Stunning. But, you know, I want to hear what you guys think. If you have any questions, if you want to see it, I do work by appointment. Please call, text, email. I know that this is going to go pretty fast. I mean, it is beautiful. I mean, it's a bunkhouse, and we sell quite a bit of bunkhouses. But if you want any information, call, text, email. My information is below. Of course, when you come up here, ask for Rachel. I'll be happy to help. But until next time, guys.